Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer products from Shopify to affiliate landing pages step by step clearly. To begin transferring products from Shopify to your affiliate landing pages, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Products section in the Shopify dashboard. Select the product you want to transfer. Copy the product title. Next, copy the product description. Make sure to copy the product images by right-clicking and saving them to your computer. Now, switch to your affiliate landing page editor. Paste the product title into the appropriate section of the landing page. Paste the product description in the designated area beneath the title. Upload the saved product images to the landing page. Ensure the images are properly sized and aligned for a professional look. Next, locate the product's pricing information in your Shopify dashboard. Copy the price and paste it into the corresponding section on your landing page. Include any relevant details, such as sizes, colors, or variations, as needed. Now, gather your affiliate link. This can usually be found in your affiliate program dashboard. Once you have the link, add a call to action button on your landing page. Label the button with a clear phrase like "Buy Now" or "Shop Here." Link the button to your affiliate URL. Review your landing page for any formatting issues or errors. Test all links to ensure they direct users correctly. Finally, publish your updated landing page. Monitor the page's performance to optimize as needed. This process can be repeated for each product you want to transfer. Continuously refine your landing pages to enhance user engagement and conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.